Yes, I guess we are live. We already have like wait, how do we have 8 people who clicked right after? Oh my god. Oh my god, 10 people just like right into it. Okay. So Siddesh, today's new thing. What are you gonna tell people? What new lifeline do we have today?
So no, not something new, but we're gonna try to ship that game we started last stream, and
Not
as
last stream, not last stream.
okay, the one
Last
before
to
that.
last
But
week.
what I'm excited about. I'm only excited about the final part where we launch it, and then we do a game. We host a game there, and then I
Yeah.
win some money, so I can get some lunch.
Okay, you've still not gotten lunch. I mean, you survived an earthquake, dude. You just couldn't
Yeah.
find anyone.
It was a pretty crazy weekend. I did not expect. I mean, I did not even expect, that kind of thing happen all of a sudden. And like, I was on a call with you, and I was like, "Oh, what? The chair is slowly moving. What is happening?" I thought like nearby building is like, they're doing something. But then it's like, you know,
Hmm.
all the lights in the building is like, we just like started going. That was a crazy earthquake, and yeah, I mean, here we are. Some of the people have already ran away to their countries.
Yeah, I saw a couple of people. Like, I have this friend from Berabadis, and she's like, I'm back in Dubai, guys.
Yeah,
She was
and
staying in
a
Palanpur.
couple of buildings have also like cracked really bad. So I think it's
Yeah.
it's kind of a bad. I mean, if it's bad here, imagine people from Myanmar would be like even crazy for them. But yeah, everyone's good here. So good, all good.
That is good. I remember how you're like, things are shaking. It's like, okay, first time you were like, maybe I'm shaking my leg, dude.
Because see, I've
Yeah.
always seen earthquake, tsunami on TVs for last 10 or 15 years. And now when I'm here, the building is so, I'm just feeling I'm going like this. It's not just like, a little bit. I'm just going like this. It's like, okay, this is an earthquake. So I have to take my passport, take my wallet, take my phone, take my laptop. I just took everything and then just ran outside of the building.
Suresh, you're a good dev, but your survival instincts are top notch bad. You wanted to like survive, but you wanted the laptop. Otherwise, you were like,
Yeah,
okay, I'm good without
yeah,
it.
yeah. How will I run back to my
Give,
country if the
give
building
me a
collapses?
minute.
If the building collapses, how will I run back to the country?
My God, I really hope that people who are like facing actual problems due to the earthquake are a bit safer now. Because I saw some videos and they were very scary. And
Mm.
that's what I'm saying that like I live in a I live in Delhi and Delhi has a lot of earthquakes in any way, but I've never seen something like this and this was way too scary. And I don't know how situation was there, but I really hope everyone is safe there. And I think we have a sizable audience now. We have like around 65 people watching us. So we
Nice.
can talk about what we're going to do today. So the fun part today is we have a lifeline. It's called Phone a Friend, which if you guys have seen KBC or if you've seen a lot of other, I was not very good with the shows. I just saw KBC because the school said watch KBC. So they have this lifeline called Phone a Friend, and since we've been stuck on this frame for past 2 weeks, and we have seen that a couple of friends might be able to help us if we are stuck again. So we're gonna use that one in case we're stuck today.
And also,
If
like,
the
you can also join that helpline list, so we can call you maybe.
Yeah, if you wanna be on the helpline list, just drop a hi on the chat somewhere or like a comment under the stream, and I'll find you. If you comment on the stream, I'll find you, and if you can help us, amazing. And yeah, getting started with it, I'll share my screen on the update on where we were. Uh, so last time we had the MVP ready, and we were trying to build Scribble.io frame where friends play by putting in money and the winner takes it all. Wait, my screen isn't sharing. Yes. So the winner takes all the money, and the update was we have a public room ready we can start the game at a fixed time every time because we don't want people to go around from room to
No, 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 all good, all good, all good.
and so the users can scribble at one time, and we hope it works for more as well. In the room to 10 people at once, and after 10 people, it just moves to make another room like that. And today we plan to add wall functionality and make the front end better. Uh, One issue we were running into was like, let's say we have room number one running already, uh, and the game is in progress. If someone else says, I want to join room number one, they were able to see that the room is about to start, which couldn't happen because people are already playing that game. You cannot join that room. The plan is to start at 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. We will start, and the game starts at 10:02, right, Siddesh?
Yeah, 10:01. Like we just give
10:01.
1 minute buffer we give them.
Yeah, 1 minute before we give them. So 60 seconds to join. I think it's better to give them 20, sorry, 120 seconds.
Okay.
No, relaxation. You're saying that? It's like
Mm-hmm.
you join in under 60 seconds or I'm leaving you out of this round, okay?
Yeah, I mean, I think like the longer you give like people, other people just must be like waiting for long. So I think it's kind of a okay. Um,
Okay,
but yeah, that's something that we can always like customize it.
gotcha. So
Yeah.
let's do this. We have planned that we're gonna do this. We'll go ahead and now we go to fix this issue. And what is the plan? First, we go fix this issue, that the
Yeah.
same room,
So I
or
think so. The last time when we were doing the stream got a little bit like we were not able to fix it. The grok was giving us the same issue again and again. We were not able to fix that particular part where when there's already a game running, it was allowing other people to join the game. We tried to fix it, but again, like there was like same error again and again. So we kind of rolled back, like we just went back like few versions of the code stock here. And with me, I had a working code by the end of the stream last stream, right? So let's take a look at where we are right now and then see like what we can do in the stream. Our goal is to just keep get the scribble part work, and then like the rewards where someone joins with one USDC, and then like when the game ends, they get the money back. So that's what we're gonna do. So I have this is just
wait,
the
when the game ends, they get the money back. Why?
no. No. So let's say 10 people join the game, each put one USDC, and the winner
Hmm.
gets 10 USDC like that.
Makes sense.
Okay. Okay. So I just started the app. My front end is running here, and the back end is running here, and I will open up the front end. Let's see where we are right now. Like let's see where we are. Uh, I'm gonna just join one room and see if this works. I'm gonna open up another browser and I'm gonna go to the same thing. Maybe one, and then I'm gonna start the game here. Okay, we have started the game, and you are gonna draw here something something.
Amazing drawing skills.
Yeah, we just this is just to test and show people that things are working at least. Yes, things are. For a second, I thought some Jurassic Park movie was running in the background of your.
I don't know. I don't know which animal is this. It's just it's just Eid, guys. So maybe the animals are celebrating. Happy Eid, everyone. I hope you all got Eid from somewhere. Suresh, are you also planning to add some Eid in this game? And
What?
any Eid is like money you get on Eid, free money. Money and envelopes are just like open like cash.
Okay, okay. Who is gonna sponsor that money?
Yeah, of course. Give
but,
some money.
but
No, Suresh?
actually, but actually, the next product that we will be building, I think it's fun one that you suggested. We can just piece it up this time.
Yeah,
You know, I think that's where you get the money, right?
that's how you get the money. Yeah.
That's where you get the money.
I mean, this one is also somewhere you something you can get the money in if you just
Okay.
are super good at drawing.
Right. Right. So right now you see like the game is working. Okay. Actually, the
Yeah.
game is working. Now, when two people join, three people join, and then when you start the game is working perfectly fine. Uh, but the problem here, I think, is so I have started the game. The game is going on now. If you create a new account and now like think of like this is a new user, and then he joins the room. What was the room ID? Two. What was the room
One,
ID?
I think.
What? No, 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 no. It was room
No.
number two. Okay. So see now this is where the problem happens. This gets stuck here. Okay. Okay. So what happens here is even if there's an ongoing game, this user is still seeing this particular screen as well as like this user's name right is coming up to the players list of the ongoing game, which should not happen. Okay. So in the last stream, we tried to fix this with like a lot of iterations from Grok. It was failing continuously, right? So right now, this time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the cursor ID itself and try to ask cursor to fix this for us. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my code editor here. Uh, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and this is how you on your left is this is how you actually like chat with the AI from your cursor itself. I have an issue in actually like all the code that we have is staged, meaning like it's kind of a locally saved. So no problem if cursor messes up, we still have the code for us.
Good thing I get what stage means. Wait, what does Postman do? I see the logo.
Postman is like a way to test an API endpoint. For example, if you want to get the weather data, or if you want to get if there was a real earthquake in Myanmar, you can just you will need to ping some API, right? For example, U.S. government website or something. You can just use Postman to get that, you know, and better a nicer app to actually like test APIs.
Okay. We don't have to use it, right, for this?
For this app, you don't have to use it.
Let me think of what we can do with it. Wait, if we build a poly market, poly market would use it maybe to test prices. Like, let's say they have a bet going on around BTC's price.
Mhm.
They would need something to tell them what is BTC's price at the end when the bet ends, and
Mhm. Yeah,
Postman
yeah.
can.
No, Postman is like a development tool we use to test things. It's not more of a. It's just a development tool, and way to things. For example, if I build some API, I can just give you the API endpoint, and you can use this to test it. But like before Postman came, things used to be like they write the request here and use the terminal to test it. But then like now you can use Postman to do that. It's like a
Is it
better way.
paid?
I think it was founded by Indian people.
I
They
know,
are,
I know.
yeah.
Is it paid?
No, it's free. It's the one I use is free. I think they have a paid plan.
Oh, okay. Siddesh, do you want an introduction of yourself as well? Because we have an audience now. We have like close to 150 people watching.
No,
If you want to
no,
introduce,
no,
no?
no. We're gonna
Please,
just try to go complete the game, launch the game, and then that's where the fun is.
amazing.
Yeah.
Suresh, can you somehow maximize your screen towards the
This
place
one.
where yeah, so that people can see more, like just, yeah, this. So that now everyone can see what prompt you're putting.
Okay.
Somewhere here.
It's
Hey
somehow
guys,
hey Samya. Hurricane.
Quick roundup on where we are, Soumya. We have the MVP ready, but there is a issue in the game logic. The game, if there's a room running already and you try to join it, it shows you as one of the players in the room, even though you're not playing the game, just because you clicked
Yeah.
on the same room number. So we're trying to fix that right now. After this, we'll go improve the front end and add wallet functionality to this.
It's important to be articulate with this stuff too. Yashika, in the process, have you learned how to code?
Not really. I mean, I know a little bit of things like we have to restart the server and things like that, but
Hmm.
not really. I haven't tried actually. I need to sit on a weekend and try it and do the setup so that I get to know what works and what doesn't work for me.
Hmm. But I feel like because Siddesh has been doing with you for a while, if you just
Hmm.
try, you will organically know. And then you can always ping Siddesh, ki bro,
Yeah,
know what
and
you need.
I think it would be fun. Like the next project that we have in mind is like a very fun thing and a pretty similar simple thing. I think maybe you
Hmm.
vibe code it and I join you and
As a
hype you
yapper.
along.
Yes.
That would
Yes.
be like a fun one to do. Maybe
Yeah.
more like
Actually,
we can do that.
and I love that game, Siddesh, because that was my idea that I put it in the sheet. So
Yeah,
I
yeah, it's
think
your idea, so you
I
can.
it's a nostalgic game. Yeah, let's do this. I need some help beforehand to set up how to code, get my machine, Siddesh.
Hmm.
So
But
uh,
even that piece is easy, right? Like I think वो भी chat GPT को बोलेंगे वो ही करेगा यार. Like you just
Yeah,
tell
yeah, yeah.
how
That
details
would be
setup
fun. I
करना
think, like bringing someone that has no experience and then getting them to do it would be fun, I guess.
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
do
Let's
this.
do it, bro. Like next, यही कर. I'll also join in. कि
Next
it's
stream,
fun
let's do this.
Awesome.
Yes.
because I think I also learned exactly like this. कि GPT को पूछना है कैसे करना है सब from setting the terminal up everything. Yeah. Okay, carry on, Siddesh. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. So so basically, I'm using Claude on the cursor thing itself. It gives you some credits to use Claude inside the cursor. So it has given us some changes, and I'm just gonna accept the file and hope for it to work. I'm restarting the server once again, and okay. So two players are playing the game. Right now, let's go with the third player. Same issue again.
Wait, Suresh, one more solution. What if we never allowed users to choose a room number?
We only show
We
them the rooms that. No, I mean, in our idea, what will happen is like you have only. So are you suggesting we only have that the room that we want to have every day 10 a.m. only that we want to have?
No, yeah, that is one. That is like couple of ways to do it. One idea is we have a room code. Like Scribble has a longer code, so I'm not thinking people would be doing that entire code
Hmm.
copy paste, so that this problem largely gets obliterated, even though not solved. Uh,
Yeah,
second way is we just have a link. Like this is your link. If you share it to your friends, they'll be able to join your room. Otherwise, nobody else can join it.
yeah, that's correct. But the problem again is like, what if see, fundamentally flawed, right? When your game is allowing like everyone to join and they are also are seeing the score and everything. That's not how you do it, right? But again, like as you mentioned, we'll be also using a link way. For example, you create a game and then you can copy the link. The admin can copy the link and send it to people, so they can actually use that link to join the game.
Yeah, brother Siddesh, I think what will be helpful is to have architecture. And I think I mentioned it previously also. कि एक बार if you keep that in place, then it's easier to know अच्छा, which part is breaking. And then do you need to modify architecture? So अभी like do we know कि how it's working? Like
Right.
for each room, is there like a separate container that gets created?
Container as in like what do you
मतलब
say?
DB entries like DB entries कैसी है अभी right
So
now?
we're not using any DB thing as of now. No real DB is used here. Everything is like memory, everything. But only for the sake of leaderboard and everything, we'll be using some kind of a DB. That comes down the stream. So yeah, we're only in the first game, bare bone structure of the game logic there. So we will be doing that in this stream. So we'll
Okay,
have something something like a visual flow model right after we fix this bug.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's
Let's
good.
try this again. Yeah.
Yeah. Or should I have to get on a call? I'll drop off, but I'll join back, guys. Carry on.
Yeah.
Say, who's the smartest coder you know?
Smartest code. There are a lot of people. Actually,
Yeah,
there are a
just
lot.
call one of them, please.
Then it becomes this. It doesn't become a vibe coding session. You forgot
No,
everything.
but then we can't. We have been trying to wipe debug for like 2, 3 hours now. It doesn't work.
So just you wanna call a friend maybe? Call a
Yeah,
friend.
let's use that one. Phone a
Yeah.
friend. Yeah.
Who do you wanna call?
Any of your friends who you think can solve this? I don't have any
Maybe
friend.
let's actually text Nisar, the one that was actually
Yeah,
active last
he
time.
he's very active usually. What if?
Let me
Let's
see.
see.
Let me see if he actually sees the message.
Okay.
Open.
Let me also try texting any
Yeah. Text.
one dev that I know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one dev that I know who has been vibe coding or coding for a while. Wait.
I think vibe debugging is way harder than vibe coding.
Yeah, we just learned that over the past 2 streams. Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
it,
Let's.
it's
But
hard.
this shouldn't take this much amount of time because I think like usually things work with given that Claude and Grok are like actually good. I don't know why it's like failing this bad.
Did
Uh,
Nisarg reply?
no, he did not reply.
He did not reply.
No, he did not reply.
Wait, wait. I'm just gonna text the fastest person I know who replies,
Mm-hmm.
and he's a coder. So
Let's see.
let's see.
Yeah.
And let's see.
Okay. Hmm. Who is that? Are we giving a shout out for them?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
Kanish.
I think Nishar is the thing. Okay, okay. Send him a link. Should I
Nisarg
send
is
him?
here. Yeah, I'll send. No, I don't have Nisarg's contact. Send him the link. I'll share it with you.
No, I mean the link that we you sent me for the stream. Is that the same link
Yeah.
I should send?
Yes, yes. Share it with him.
Okay, so we're gonna have Nisar. Let's see, like, oh, if he can fix, if he can help us fix this.
Hmm. Let's go. I really hope Nisarg is able to figure out where things are going wrong at least so that we know where to do the fixing bits.
Mhm. I think Nisar might have received the link. I mean, he may be joining right now.
If he joins, I'll know.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, don't worry. You focus on vibe debugging this.
Yeah.
There are like 218 people trying to, you know,
Cheer us
Nisarg
up.
is here. Uh,
Okay, okay.
okay. I'm adding you to stage, Nisarg, if you can hear me. And you unmute yourself and begin.
Yeah, yeah. So
Here
yeah.
he is. Yes, please.
So yeah, yeah. I last watched the game. It was working for I think two people, right?
Yeah, it works for three people, but if someone else joins it,
Yeah, yeah.
like there's already a room running, but you put in the same room number, it'll show you as a participant of the room, but it'll also show the person that the room has not started yet. So
Okay, okay.
I don't know if did a good enough explanation. So they should
No,
showing
no, no,
you.
no. So what I see, I'm just showing you like what I'm doing. Uh, so see, we have a new game, Sid one two
Sid.
three zero ID, and he is the
Yep,
admin now. Another one, I'm just creating another user 123 join.
yep,
Now the admin starts the game. Everything is
yep.
good. Like the this user gets the drawing thing. They just draw something. They draw something. Okay, so they guess. Okay, everything is working perfectly fine. Um, eh, no, it it's actually no, 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 no. Okay, 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 okay. I'm gonna go back one step. One step. I'm gonna go back. Okay, so one sec. What we have here is I have to same URL. I'm gonna
Yep.
give room ID 123 join. Uh, two, three. I don't know why is this happening. One second. 123. Where is actually Zin getting from? I don't know. Wait. Let's see.
This error wasn't there before.
Yeah,
It
this is
just
the first
popped
error.
up.
It just came up right now. Wait, wait, wait. So I
Yeah,
think. Mm, okay. Okay. So new tab, localhost 3000, mic, mic. Okay. What? It was 9. Okay. Localhost 3000. Jin Yang, room number 9. Okay, now things are okay. Here you can see
yeah.
admin starts the game, and there is a timer going on, and there is a word here. Someone let someone draws here like whatever, and then this guy guesses it's a radio. Okay, you get the points and everything is fine,
Yes.
right?
Yep.
Now what happens is still the game is going on, right? Still the game is going on. They have next round and everything. Now if I create another browser tab and then try to join the same room number, Okay, check. Okay, we get this. We get this.
Okay,
We get this screen. Okay, let's
okay.
one.
I think after the time start, it cannot able to join the game. That's the
You
problem,
should
right?
not able to join it. That's the thing, right? So
Yeah.
one thing that we can do is let's ask actually one last time, Claude. Uh, okay, one last time let's ask when the say. So do you think that this is happening because like we're using the home route and this using a state manager to handle everything? Do you think that's the reason this is happening?
Uh, yeah, is the new code published on the GitHub, the main branch?
No, 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 it's not. It's not. It's not.
Can you push it once again? I can check and.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Bytecoded episode 2 pushed everything same repository and it's up there. And then also I think another problem that can arise here is like I think the way socket works is some maybe it's around like the way socket connections establish is like I don't think when you have two
I think some.
uh,
Yeah,
websites on a same browser, maybe there's a problem with Socket IO client, in how it establishes connection between those clients. That could be one of the problems here, but I think what I'm thinking to do right now is like when we go to localhost right now, what we are trying to do, we are just setting all the game users in same browser tab. It's like everything happens in localhost 3000. What would ideally should be like the way how Scribble works is, you would do something like localhost 3000 room some number.
yeah. So what we can do in this, we can use the next router. So when the room will be created, we'll create a
Yeah,
next router and room page, room ID with the next router, and then with
yes,
ID check if the page is there or not. Yeah,
yes. So we'll
that's
do
the
that.
yeah with the name with the
Yeah.
same room ID. It will check with the params basically with the use params. Will next will check. Uh, are you using for room any database or anything or local storage?
No, 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 no. We are not using any database for now.
So how can it find the room ID? Right now it's relevant or not? Like
Everything in memory, everything is in
okay,
memory.
okay,
Whatever happens, everything is like uh, the server manages everything in memory. So
okay. I'm cloning your repo. I clone it. Just a sec. I think, I think yeah. This will be able to do it. The things that you can able to create a multiple room with this
yeah,
approach.
yeah. So I have actually kind of done that. Let's see. So we have a website now. Let's reload again. Let's see what happens here. So I'm gonna put Sid Sid room number 3232. Okay. Now when I do this, in 3232 join private room, create start game.
Can you check on the URL? I think
No, it's still using the same router.
so. Yeah, when you create a room, you have to use the router dot push to able to you can push it to directly with the front end to the
Yeah,
page.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I
So
think it's
I think
router
it's
dot.
doing I think it's doing
Yeah,
that, but somehow it's not working. Maybe I don't know. Let's check out the code here. Uh, home TSX. Okay, we are on home TSX, and like it's pretty weird because like even after doing all these code changes, nothing is actually working.
yeah. I'm live with your code. I'm just gonna do the same thing that you've done. Uh, let's go on the code for the homepage where create room I think happening. So it can able to push two user on the both same room ID I think.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Not- okay. So room ID page is there, and then it goes up to home component. That's where every logic is there, and
I think it's pushing. I think from the room button will be pushing.
Okay, quick help. Can you TLDR what are we trying to do to solve this?
So right now
so
it's like
yeah.
at localhost there are two players that able to join. But ideally, what the scenario is, every game has their own unique number, basically code. Like every page has a unique code. Like for any pool, you can see the pool name on the W8 or W any if you go to investment. So right now, if we try to create a game, there can be multiple game possible. So how to find the unique game? So we are allocating the room ID with the slash URL or anything that can be published like this game slash our room ID that is 7, let's say for example. So anyone who enters the 7 can able to enter the game room with the unique ID.
Okay, so earlier our users did not have unique IDs, even the rooms had it.
So
So we,
actually, initially the user unique ID was there, but still we were not using a separate custom route. That would have been done later. I thought we will do this later, but maybe that is the reason this error is popping up. Is something what I am assuming. So we are trying to just do this like get this in a unique URL, and then we see if the same issue happens. Then we try to fix that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we have the code ready. Let's. Okay. So I have. Let's create a private room. Okay, I've done. So it's giving me room ID now, and I'm gonna go to new tab and put this room ID. Yes, it's asking my username and join room. Fine. And what was this username? No.
What did he click?
I think he drop off.
I'll check. So how have you been, Nisarg? I can't hear you. You're on mute.
So yeah, working on an agenting thing, building a small agenting infra tool. Yeah, that's it.
Talk more about it. We will get you to one base cafe to talk more about it actually, and that'd be fun.
So
We'll
yeah,
sit.
I just integrated the base feature where base MPC server had their open router AI credits one. So I
Hmm.
can now write by basically open router AI credits with Aptos USDC native ring. I just pushed it to the.
We need to have you on a stream and explain it so that I get it, other people also get it. Because I'll pretend I got it. I didn't actually. And Siddesh is back.
Yeah,
Yes. Okay. So we
yeah,
have a private
yes.
room there, and it's starting good, and you are able to draw it, and then they are able to guess it perfectly fine. And I'm gonna create a new tab right now to test if the room thing is working now. Okay. Again, same thing. Same problem. So that is not the problem. The room joining thing is not a problem now.
I think the socket now. I think the socket will not allowing it. I think they are communicating one to one. So I think the third people cannot join as of now as the two started the communicating.
No, so the problem have what's happening here is the socket everything is good, but when a new user is trying to join, either the server or the front end is not correctly optimized or like correctly configured to tell the user that there's an already game going on, so you cannot join anymore. That is not happening.
So yeah,
We need
what
to
you can,
fix.
yeah, we can just create a flag to check the room ID. With the room ID, the game has started or not. So with the unique room ID, if the game has already started, the we have to tell the user just wait for this much second, based on the game ID, and if they wait for this much second to start again the new game, or you can just create another game for yourself. You
Mhm.
can enable this option.
Do you know some tool that we can use to lively, use some code from your
I
system and
think the
mine?
live server extension is there on the VS Code.
Okay,
I have
yeah,
already installed. You have to install it and share the link.
yes, yeah. Good one, good one. But then live server will actually, okay, we'll be using the same code editor.
Yeah, yeah.
Is this one or this one?
I think the first one.
I remember using this like, a couple of years back.
Yeah, back in the college days.
Yeah, yeah. How do I,
Yeah,
okay.
in the bottom down you can start the extension. No, I think you're sharing the whole thing. In the VS Code, go to right hand side, the network tab, that main with the GitHub.
Where is it?
On the bottom left corner.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean just go ahead, go ahead. Uh,
You want a tunnel or what? Like,
Last
because
option on the bottom left corner of the last option. Yeah,
what
the
yeah, yeah,
restart.
yeah.
You can go
Okay,
live again.
this one.
Go live. The right side, right.
Okay, I have go. I have live. I'm live. It opens up this browser for me.
J- you should able to do the whole public URL. Can you share the URL?
There is no public URL for me. I don't see a
After
public.
after you create the live server, it will give you a whole IP address and all the things. Just stop it.
Okay,
Uh,
okay,
Go live again.
okay. I'm gonna go live again.
Uh, it
It's
whatever it started, just give it to me. Oh, I think it's starting it locally. Uh,
localhost. Yeah, I can
yes.
forward a port and then like what's the number 5500 and yeah, local tunnel. It's asking me to log in. All good. So I'm just forwarding. Unable to forward. It's saying no, no. We can't. We can't forward it. For some reasons we can't forward it.
Mm, I don't think so. Go live.
Is this a live server thing or live? I think I think this is not the one. I believe. I don't think this is the one. Is
I
this
think
the
there
one?
is one called live share.
Live share. Yeah. Okay. I don't think live server is just like you can use like HTML. You can just see preview HTML. I think this is the one.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's from Microsoft only. Yes.
Wait, can you not Google this? Which one is the actual one?
I think
We
this is the one.
we can we can good tip.
No, it's for me because I always have to check things a little bit
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I'm not sure.
yeah. Nisarg, I'm still not able to see any button here. Like anything. I don't see anything here. What is it? Should I restart my VS Code or something?
Remove the previous one. Just remove the previous one. Uh, Remove it.
Yeah,
Then you can see able to see the go live. I think it's
yeah.
from
I can
live.
see. I can see. Yeah, it's still opening the same thing. Like whatever this. But we have to restart the thing. I guess. Yeah,
I
yeah.
think
Now it will be gone.
Wait, what are we trying to do? We're trying to host a website.
No, we
no.
are trying to actually like sync. use my code and give access to Nisak, so he can also like look at the code and then help us with
Can
the.
you not do it with that ngrok thingy which you did last time?
So ngrok is only for actually using the product, like the live link of the website. You can't actually write code on my VS
Okay.
Code.
I think
That's the.
Oh,
all code are saved. You can just dump it again and close it again and start it again.
Okay. Okay. Done. And
I think
I still don't see any
on the left side, I think right now live share on the left
live
side.
share.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Command not found.
I think
So,
Cursor not native integration like the VS Code.
mm, yeah. Let me do one thing. Uh, Let me quickly grab power charger. My laptop's gonna die. I think it's fine. I think it's not working. The live
Yeah.
share is not working actually. I don't know.
Uh, do do you have VS Code?
I have VS Code, yeah, but then
Open,
we can't use the we
just
sorry.
open your VS Code.
I don't have VS Code. I don't have VS Code, man. I don't have
Oh,
VS Code.
I think there is some. I think Cursor have not tried to do the native integration of the live code. Most probably.
Okay.
Uh,
So where were we right now?
so
PNPM dev
yeah,
here.
just add a. I think just add. Ask Claude to add a flag whenever we basically start a game, and
Mm-hmm.
if any users basically joins it after, just tell him to wait or basically to start their own game. I think that will work.
Yeah. Let's see. One second. Let's see.
Uh, I think you have to also give context to room ID, please.
Which context? Yeah, I will. I will. I will. So I have given the three things that we are working on. All the
Yes.
files are in context. I'm asking. Say there is a game between few players already ongoing. Then somehow no users should be able to join the game. They should see an error. Okay. So you have all the necessary context. Let's see what happens now.
we had to
But
make a flag for it, right? Can we also add like make a flag for it?
So the making a flag is like a thing that the AI has to come up with in however the way it can or it wants.
Okay.
Yeah. See, checking it.
if the room is yes,
No, but
I
the thing is, like, I believe like the code for this is already there. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna apply all these changes. So first we have to do server side logic. I'm applying it. And I'm saving it, and then client side I'm accepting it. So okay. So I have restarted the servers. I started both of my servers. Everything is running. New tab. Localhost 3000. I am going to create a new room. Okay. Put this name. Okay, it has given me a new room. Okay, whatever. So join room, and I got the link. I'm copying it, and then I'm gonna come to a new browser, something like this. Paste this. I'm gonna join this room now. So we have both the rooms ready. Okay, let's start the game. Okay, so we get a new issue here, which was also happening last time. Okay, this is what was happening last time. Did you see Nisar? What was happening?
Yeah, I think whenever I think when we create on the start game on the server side, it is emitting the when the game started. But on the front end time, I think it on the both side when we try to join the game, I think on the front end side it's showing events that already had started, and it is basically connecting after the event has been submitted. So they should able to join it, both able to join it, and after both participant I think uh, before the game and after the game, the participants should be equal, and after the game, the event should be happen. So after both have joined the game, the event will be happen, and when once the event will be happen, the new participant can able to join it. I think that's the issue.
Mm-hmm. But this is like very weird because see, I think the problem is with front end is emitting some random. Uh, it's just emitting some random events that's actually kind of closing the connections between the user and the server. So if you see here, so I have already created a game on the tab, and then I'm joining here from here. Okay, I'm joining here, and it now says two users are there, and the game
Yes,
has not started. I'm clicking
yes.
start game. Okay, now it works. Okay, now it works. Like okay, things are seemingly working now.
Try with the third user. Try
Okay,
to
so
join.
everything. So now let me actually try with the third user. Okay, username checker. Okay, again same thing. You see. We get this error now. So let's do one thing here. Okay. Okay. Like it's pretty. I mean, we are stuck in the same issue since last live stream. I think like vibe coding maybe we are not there yet for vibe coding an entire game like this with logics. Or maybe we are not equipped with we're not good prompt engineers.
I think I think I server is doing logs right now, right?
The server is
So
doing from like it was there from start.
so maybe I think we could
One of
debug.
the problem I saw was one of the problem I saw was this. See, if you see, this was getting called like disconnection was happening, or some reconnect was happening every time. So what happens is like when you click start game, uh, like the front end gets disconnected with the back end, and then it just creates a new connection to the back end, like a socket connection is established. It's everything is socket, how the events are triggered. Let's see what Claude does now.
Jointing error.
Okay, so we utilized all the code that Claude gave us this time. I'm restarting my server front end and the back end. Everything is restarted now. So we are going to close this once, and so this time we're using like random UUIDs.
Hmm.
Okay. Again, there is a problem here. It's asking username again and again two times.
Yes.
which is also a problem.
First is creating the UUID, and the UUID does not have the context of the username, so it's
Yeah.
asking again.
Okay. I see when I put my username and click create private room, it creates a room and then asks my username again. Just take my username once and create a room and show me the link to share. Okay, let's see. I think like I have not even seen a single code inside this. We are just blindly, accepting whatever AI has been giving us so far. Yashika, any update you have? How many people are watching us?
Yes, we have 1066 people watching us. Nisar, you can also call your friend if you feel like they can come solve this.
No,
Call a friend, you call a friend, then they call a friend.
Yeah, I mean, if
It's
someone is
just like,
able to solve it.
bro, can you come and then help us, ship this? I do have some really good coders, but the problem is we are vibe coding, we are vibe debugging.
No, but then
uh,
ultimately someone tells us what's wrong.
Yeah, but then they have
Because
to
we,
have they have to have the patience of reading all the code that they have
oh,
spit all along. So yeah, I mean, in Isaac, just call your friend. You have one call a friend.
call or text.
but the problem is, if I call one hour, I wanted to have the context of the game, live context of the game, and if I want to able to solve it, but to able to solve it, you have to share the live screen, and it's not working. Otherwise, the new one come, it doesn't have the context. He have the, I think, some old code that has been pushed to the GitHub. So the problem is like, we need to make it work, the live share tables to
Yeah, 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 yeah. But
Can you
that's not
push the
working.
updated code to GitHub?
No, I have pushed the updated code to GitHub. Like nothing has been added now. We're just trying to fix that thing, exact issue that is there in the GitHub.
the GitHub does not have a server, so your server has.
No, 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 no. GitHub has a server. If you see like server.ts,
Okay, okay,
that's the
directly.
server. That's the server file.
Okay, so I'll start with that. And preview provider has been missing from my side. Preview provider.
Wait, what if we leave this issue right now and we go fix the wallet thingy and the front end thingy?
Yes, yes,
We
that's a
dip,
good idea. That's a good idea. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's refresh it. It will be refreshing to look.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Just push this code. I'll look on this code. You try to do in another branch. I'll try to do the same. Try to solve this.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
And you can also call your friends, Nisar. It's like this
Sure,
is
sure.
this is what I'm trying to solve. Maybe your live thingy
But
works.
I
They,
like the idea. I like the idea, Yashika. It's like a funny thing. You keep calling your friends until you find the answer.
yeah, that is a good thing. That's how my mom operates. She's like, I have a friend.
Okay. Let's last one time. I'm gonna check. Then we're gonna move to Yashika's suggestion of adding the functionalities. Okay. So we're gonna do that. Okay. Now it is seemingly looking good. Okay. And username Jin Yang. Join game is join game. Start game.
Okay.
Okay, I'm reverting this change.
Push it.
I'm
Yeah.
actually reverting this change. Yes, I'm reverting the change. Whatever the code is on the GitHub is what I'm actually working on right now. So I'm just gonna just use the suggestion given by Yashica. We're gonna just go add wallet connection part and then like add the game logic. Okay,
Okay.
cool. So we have last one time. Let's just check it once. You join a room and then another player joins a room. You can the admin gets to start the game and then they can draw. Okay. I don't know for some reasons my okay. Let's get snake.
Check
Everything.
the issue. Check the issue.
What's the issue?
I mean, one more, start from one more place and check if.
No, no, no. It's not the one more. If I that issue is still not fixed. It's
Oh,
still.
okay. So we're just saying that
Yeah,
people are able to join.
we're just gonna add the payments functionality. Okay,
Okay.
cool. Uh, so what we're gonna do, we need to add payments functionality. As previously mentioned in the start of the series, we have previous wallet connector already set up. Meaning, the starter template that we have has the wallet connections and the frame functionality is already included. For example, we just want to show a way to connect wallet, right? So we can just keep a button here, okay, to connect your wallet when you join. Okay. So for that, what we'll do is um, okay. Okay. So what we need to do is very simple. We just need to copy this wallet connector component, and we just need to paste it inside of a page here. We just need to paste it here, and then
We're pasting it on the front end side.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. So now we have connect wallet button.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi Soumya, we weren't able to fix the issue, so we called Nisarg, and he's gonna fix the issue while we try to add the other functionalities.
Oh damn, dude, nice. This is becoming like a full team project right now. It's nice, right? Good vibes. How's it going, Nisar?
Yeah, just clone the basically server and both the things. So I'm just gonna find the basic like able to find the issue. I'm just gonna find the iteration if I am able to solve it, uh, adding the fair flag and showing if the user able to reject or wait for the new game to start.
Imagine if the way to scale Yashica is that we start making this and we make the repo public and we allow
It is
everyone to
public.
like add. No, but we allow everyone to contribute openly to commit to different features and we put out the roadmap and imagine building in real time on a stream with everyone making commits to
Yeah.
different things.
Yeah, it would be fun. Like we could just split up the features or set whatever, and then everyone
Yeah,
can wipe it, concurrently with individual set of code, and then everyone can
yeah.
merge everything go and then see like things work. That would be fun.
Oh, yeah.
I think we
Okay,
could run
and
in
we are
like
at
20 minutes. Then, like
we'll be done
everything
in
would be
20
done in
minutes.
20
Wow.
minutes. Yeah.
Oh, full decentralization. We'll see if it works or not in real time. But okay, we are at 1100 people watching this stream live. Yashika, you wanna quickly give everyone a sense of what have we been doing? What are we building here? What is Siddesh doing? What is Nisar doing?
So I'll present my screen because I have the
Go
updates
for it.
there. Yeah, we started the stream with this issue that if someone puts the same room number as a running room, there's an issue. And this is Siddesh's GitHub ID, which is now being worked upon by Nisarg to solve this issue because in the past 1 hour or so we were not able to do it. Now we've moved to adding the other features which were remaining. And next up, like here, we had to add vault functionality and make front end better. So Siddesh is working on that part.
Okay, awesome. So the public room. So if we were to look at things that have been done,
Hmm.
uh, firstly, like if I understand this correctly, we are building the on-chain version of Scribble.io on a frame on Farcaster where people can play together and guess. So it's like Pictionary, but on a frame. That's what we are building. And right now, where are we? What have we built so far?
So we plan to host the game twice a day, and then people can join in there. We've tested it for two people, like two people can join it at that same time. Once they join, the game starts at 3 rounds, and whoever wins takes the prize. We're keeping it at one USDC right now. So if someone joins in, they pool in the money, and once the winner is decided, they get entire amount. Uh, right now, we're at the game works for two people.
No, no,
Okay,
As
no,
soon
so
no, 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 no,
so
no, no, actually, wrong, wrong. The game works for any number of people, but the
hmm,
problem right now we have is, let's say there's an ongoing game, but someone still tries to join that game, they're allowed to somehow join the game. That's the bug that we have right now. But any number of people can still join the room, and then they can draw, and then they can guess. They're given a score, and then whoever gets the highest score will be winning that particular game. That thing is working. We have this actual Scribble game thing working. Now we are trying to just make it like a better version and then add on-chain functionalities like rewards on base.
okay,
That's
so
what
Siddesh, what if we started simpler, right? Like instead of maybe pooling in, what if there's a pool already in place? So instead of adding the like people creating a wallet, adding functionality,
Mhm.
say I put in the first $50 for the first 50 games, right? And in a pool, and then it's more about the functionalities. Okay, whoever wins $1, right? Game happens once in 2 days, and then you only need the person who wins to add in a withdrawal flow there, and even that you can direct. You don't even need a withdrawal flow. You can just send it to the Farcaster account.
Mhm. Right. I
Would
mean,
that be like, yeah.
so one thing that we are doing here, since this will be as a frame, right? Every
Hmm.
Farcaster user has a wallet. Everyone
Correct.
has a wallet. So they don't even have to connect their wallet. If this is loaded inside the frame, it automatically connects to
Oh
users.
yeah.
So no,
Correct.
nothing is
Correct.
needed. No interaction needed.
Correct. So
See,
what does the payment flow look like? So the payment flow, what are we like? We fetching the Farcaster.
Once the user clicks login, they're automatically connected to the Warplet wallet, right? They're connected to the Warplet
Hmm.
wallet, and then when they want to join a game, when they click join, we say like pay one USDC. When they click join, it requests a one USDC transfer to the game's wallet or something like that.
Oh,
That's it.
got
And then it's pretty simple. You just try to keep it very very simple, and then when the game ends, the winner gets the money back. Yeah.
got it. Got it. Okay.
So yeah, let's some of the things that we are testing here has to be tested only because we are not testing it inside of Farcaster right now. But when we go inside, when we start testing inside Farcaster, things will be little different. Like all wallets will be automatically connected before. You don't have to even worry about that. Those this cost issue is like a very headache for every web developer out there. much of issues when you're trying to test something. Okay.
What is it testing?
So there is a issue, that happens when you're actually building apps and then you're actually using some external services. Here we're using Privy, and then since we are running our app in a localhost environment, the browser blocks certain, communication with external websites, and it's called CORS, Core Cross Origin Request, something. So the browser thinks that it's not, safe or something to use this resource, so it kind of blocks it. This is like a very big headache when you're trying to build server client. You kind of want to interact both of these websites together. So that's like a headache. So we see like first time you connect your wallet, okay, then you just can start the game. Okay, I'm gonna. So now we have added the wallet functionality. It's done already. You can see. I am going to. How do I join the second wallet? Uh,
New browser.
I don't have a
Hold
new.
on.
Let me install new browser Chrome. Uh, I don't know Thai. Can you give me English? How do I get English?
Hmm.
Okay, download Chrome. So while that downloads, the functionality is now added. You can see all you have to do is when you join the game, you just connect your wallet, and then your wallet will be taken as the user, and then from that point, uh, you can play the game. Every other logic remains the same, but yeah. Okay, now we have Google Chrome installed. I'm gonna go. Can you remove me from the stage for a minute?
Okay. I'll remove your screen. Do you want to?
Yeah, okay, you can just remove my screen for a minute.
Yeah, done, done.
Because I'm adding my wallet information. So are we getting another friend to help us?
Yeah, I called my one of my friend. Let's see if he's free. He'll just drop in.
So
I,
we actually need vibe coders. Do you have any vibe coder in mind?
Bro,
feels like a well,
Siddesh, I think it's time to set up like a Telegram group just for vibe coders.
Yeah,
And be
yeah,
like, bro, we stream twice a week. Up there, come on stream and we'll like start coding. I think it might
yeah.
might be a good idea to set it up, right?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, 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 we can.
Okay. What's happening, Nisar? You are calling a friend.
yeah. I just
Nice.
messaged.
I mean, yeah, it's actually a good idea. We should.
Oh, public calls.
Oh, damn.
No,
Damn.
Nisarg. No,
I was
Nisarg.
To your
What?
phone.
I was getting a Telegram call. I just rejected it. Man.
I thought you were gonna
Oh,
call your friend
yeah.
on live.
This was full KBC, bro. Oh, yes.
Fuck, right?
So do you think we should use one USDC or one USDC worth of Ethereum on base?
I mean, one USDC I think is better, no?
But the problem is like when you want the user to
Or like how?
actually use this transaction, there are two transactions: approve transaction, send transaction. But if you use
Correct.
ETH, it's one. It's just one. It's just one click and it's
Correct.
done.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. We can use ETH.
Okay.
If anything, we can tell them that okay, अभी बहुत नीचे चल रहा है. And yeah, okay. Um,
Yashica, I think you can pull up my screen back onto the stage. So right now, if you see like the wallet connection functionality is working, meaning like let's say when a user comes to our website, they connect their wallet and they can start a game. For example, like they start a game, and then let's say I create a new page, and okay, let me go to the browser, and I go here, and then I connect my wallet, and then you can see my wallet address here, and I can join the room, and you can see the players in the room, and the admin can start the game, and then they can draw it and everything seems to work. If I
Epic.
guess if yeah, everything seems to work, you got, and it also shows the points. uh, you know how it's graded. We actually came up with the logic of scoring players,
Hmm.
and then that's working perfectly fine. So now what I'm trying to do is adding one ETH payment, one, sorry, oh, not one ETH, one USDC worth of,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, yeah, one USDC worth of ETH.
Well, this game is going to be so much fun. We should get Linda or Ted here to launch this. And
Yes.
be like कि bro, like Farcaster Frame पे किसने बनाया Scribble इससे पहले? But this was one of Linda's ideas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I think we should. Anything,
So these 1,400 people are here trying to support you or are gonna judge you if you don't pull this off. So
Okay, I able to solve the issue. There was
wow.
some fuck up on the streams basically. So I let me share my screen.
Okay.
Uh,
Siddesh, do you mind if I pull down your screen?
Okay. I mean, can you not take it down like to a shop?
No, I can. I can. I'm just telling
Okay.
you. I'm gonna take it down. Nisarg, you will have to share yours.
yeah, watch it. Okay, is my screen is visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Add it.
So yeah, right now, what we are gonna just create a game. So I'm just gonna create a game. I'm gonna copy the link, and
Hmm.
from another browser, I'm just gonna create a page. Okay, from this browser, I'm gonna joining join the existing room. Two players are there. So after you start the game starting. So you just draw something or anything. The word is fox. The point functionality working. So right now the game has started. So just gonna join from another tab and just gonna say testing, and here error will be there. Yeah, this was the required, right?
Yeah. Like, can you come again? Can you come again? Can you come again? I just missed it.
Okay, okay.
So you have,
So right now the game has started between two or any player. So
okay.
the game is already in process. So I added a flag. The game is in process, and the event has been fired. That game has started. So now you are the user. So now if you want to try, the game is already. Please wait
Perfect.
for it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yes. So
Perfect.
I'm
Good.
pushing Discord. Uh,
Okay.
you can clone. But I think you have
You,
not changed the page or server, right? As of now.
I did. But then what you can do is you just create a new branch,
Okay,
and
I'll
then
create a new branch.
I can
Yeah.
merge the code. No problem. That will still work.
Yeah.
Finally, I think Nisar made it work. So we should give him the master title of. Did we should Nishak? Did you wipe code or did you actually code?
No, I find the code where error was there. Then I
Sorry,
asked the
sorry,
bot.
sorry, Nishak. We can't give you the wipe coder award then.
I gave the code to AI to basically try to write the whole. I find the error in which basically the event was firing before, and the first issue was like two joins, and the we are not able to join. So I added a
Mhm.
timeout for 1 sec so both can join. After
Okay,
timeout was added, the event just like that before event will be fired. So global event will be fired, and after that cannot able to join any user.
okay. So let me know once you actually like push the code so I can take a pull.
You need to add me as a collaborator.
Okay.
Yes. I created a new branch called new user, in which I pushed the commit.
Okay. Mm, mm, can you? What's your username on GitHub?
Nishu, Nishu 0.
Okay. Zero.
Yeah, first.
Okay. Added you to the repository. You can now push the code.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I was on mute. What if you made this a public repository and just asked people to solve it for you? Like,
Yes.
It is public repository, but user need to fork it and make it a PR to able to solve the
yeah,
issue. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I pushed it on the
Otherwise,
new user branch.
okay.
Should I make a PR? Uh,
Yes. Yeah. But if you make a PR, have local changes, right? That'll. Yeah. You know what? You can make a PR. You can make a PR.
okay.
Wait, if he makes a PR, that's a pull request or a push request.
Pull request.
Pull request. Okay. Can you update your changes and then?
Yes, I can. I can actually. I can. Let's do it. Like, give me a second, Nishal.
Yeah, no worries. I created a PR. Whenever you're free, after you already integration, you can check it out.
Cool. Awesome. Should we? You want to take up another feature and add that to your code?
Yeah, sure.
You want to do that? Okay.
Yeah.
So
What else is remaining?
I think right now the payment functionality is added from my side. So what I'll do is once that payment functionality is added, I will actually push the code and Nisarg will have access to it, and then Nisarg will actually maybe try to pick up features like beautifying the UI, make the UI a little bit better. Do you think?
What will you do, Siddesh?
Huh?
What will you do?
I will be finding other things to do.
Okay.
let's actually see what is where we are right now in this particular thing, and then let's go with this out. Mm, 1 second. Use wait for transaction. We have hit the limit on my cursor.
Cursor.
Yeah, it's it's not working now.
I think you can drop it down. Select the 3.5. I think 3.5 will work. I
Okay,
think so.
okay, okay. Let's see. 3.5 want to try? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, update because we have 1,500 people here watching. I'll just pull my screen and wait.
No, we cannot use.
Yeah.
Nisha, actually, we can use something like small model. Uh, yeah, maybe like
Mm,
the deep sea carbon. No, I think it's not allowing us to do that.
I think after 50 prom, it will not basically buy the premium one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like okay, I think like someone has to gift us Cursor Pro or like Windsurf Pro now.
I had
Yeah.
cursor pro. My subscription just expired.
Oh shit. We could have just jumped on the bandwagon and used yours. Okay. Wait. Okay. So finally, we have solved the issue we were stuck at for the past stream and a half. We are now adding, we have not solved it, Nisarg has solved it. We're going to merge the code Nisarg wrote with the one Siddesh wrote so that it's all consolidated. While we're also adding wallet functionality, which is almost done, and making the front end prettier. So
Yes.
and for people who've just joined, what are we doing? We're building a frame called Draw with Friends, basically a decentralized version of Scribble.io, where people have to pool in money, ETH here, to play, and the winner takes it all. The game starts twice a day. You have to join in under 120 seconds, and you can win some money if you win through the 3 rounds that are existing.
Yeah, how much is like one USDC of ETH right now? How much is ETH right now?
1800 around.
We can just do like one USDC. Okay, we can just do 0.005 ETH.
Yeah.
While this actually writes the code, let's go quickly check out Nisarg's PR. Uh,
2 minute break. I'll be back.
okay. So you have added this. Okay.
Yeah, I did the same stuff like you did. You created the room ID, right? So
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
do the same
So,
thing.
so did you what AI did you use for this? Like what tool did you use?
Uh, I use the Claude Pro, basically Claude 3.7.
Okay, 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 okay. So you have the Cloud Pro.
Yeah,
Nice. I used to have Cloud Pro. Like I just switched to Grok. I feel like Grok is way better than
yeah,
Cloud 3.7
yeah.
for some reason. Because
I'm
yeah,
no, no. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm waiting for my subscription to end to move to Grok. I think Grok has better.
yeah, Grok is like way better than Cloud, and I think Cloud is good. Like I remember like doing some big work in a legacy code base using Cloud. It was perfectly fine for that. But the only problem with the Cloud is even if you buy Pro plan, they still give you limits, right?
Yeah.
That's like a big like pain I think for me. I cannot use Cloud after I hit that limits.
Mm, like this.
I don't know
Deposit.
why Grok has so many things. Okay.
That's any works. Uh, Contract on success. I think it's passing it undefined.
Yeah. So I think there is no on success hook also.
So yeah, we can just add toaster or anything that deposited, submitted, or
Yeah. So the thing is like use wait for transaction. They don't have on success thing. Uh, Let me actually copy everything and give it to Grok. So I think once this works, I think we can merge the branch and then like we can push the code so we can test it out.
yeah.
But do you think there's some way for us to make a tunnel? Like when I use my ngrok free account, I can only use one tunnel. Oh, okay, okay. Maybe like I actually tunnel my server system and connect it. That works, right?
Yeah, or if it is a simple server, I can deploy it on AWS if you want.
No, 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 no. That's what we can do is I'll tunnel the server. I'll give you the link. You use that link to connect to the server from the front end we have.
Front end,
Both
okay,
have
yeah,
the same front end,
yeah,
so we can test it out and see everything's working. That I think that should be fine for this live stream. Like one of the issue that I've seen with Claude is that Claude seems to be a little bit outdated on the information. Like for example, Wagmi V2, it doesn't know Wagmi V2. It uses Wagmi V1 deprecated hooks, and
yeah,
most of the time it uses like older versions of the libraries and frameworks. But with Grok, I think it's pretty fun. It knows what is the current information. I don't know, maybe because it has access to Twitter, but yeah. I think you will have to take a. I think you will have to rebase your branch and then we can merge the branch.
Yeah, works.
Because I think I've done a lot of changes on this. If I just merge your code, it would break my code. And one of the cool things that Grok does is like I think it has a longer context or longer output tokens limit. With Claude, I think like the limit is less, so you just have to say continue, continue, continue to give you more code or whatever
In
in
free,
that.
too much less. Like I think around 7 to 800 only. And we have to type in like around so many times to basically continue the remaining code, continue the remaining code.
Yeah. With Grok, I think like you don't have to deal with that. I don't know if the output token limit is large or like I don't know if it's automatically asking continue the leftover response to just make it a better UX for users, at least in the UI. I don't know, but it's good actually.
Yes.
Okay, finally we have the entire code. I want to hope that it works. Perfect. We have this. We will put the room ID. And we need a deposit.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay. We have a problem here. We did not actually deploy the contract anywhere. How
Oh,
can I do?
just write a script.
No, we'll use what is that? We'll use
Uh,
remix.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, how will Remix connect to the code that's here?
You just have to put the contract there and then you can deploy it to remix. We
Yeah,
used that last time, no?
yeah. But then, okay, I forgot the integration bit.
Wait. So, uh, I'll show that part. So in here it asks the contract, right? So I also asked Grok to give us a smart contract for this particular use case, and Grok gave us a smart contract here. Yeah, this is the smart contract. It basically has a way to deposit money into a game, and then you can start a game, and then you can declare winner, and then the winner can withdraw the money from the pool, and then that's it. Like that's what we have. So we'll go to remix IDE, remix.ethereum.ide, and we're gonna try to deploy it. And I'm just gonna create a new file under contracts. We just say draw.sol, and then I'm gonna paste this, and then let's actually deploy it on the testing VM here. We have deployed the contract here. Then let's test it out. Uh, how are they actually creating a room? I don't know how they're creating a room. It's contract.
And depositing it, accepting the room ID. So you can just write any random room ID in the deposit.
Uh, but then like you have this.
Struct,
Okay,
yeah.
called by anyone in the room, but then like everyone has to. Okay, let's assume. Okay, room, right? I just want to grok ask again, what's the flow? The deal uh, is this contract tracking all games created and managing the funds for each room? What's the flow? What function needs to be called? So in the meantime, let's also try what Nisag suggested. So I just you are saying that I just need to put this room ID.
Room ID, yes. Let's say you create a room ID called 7. So write 7.
Okay, and let's put 0.005. I cannot put. Okay, Gue is 10 power 9, right? So what is 0.5 is 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Uh,
5, 6. So this is 0.5, 0.0005 ETH. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can see the contract has the balance now and I have deposited. So should I just go and start the game?
uh, okay, start the game.
Try a new account and deposit from there also.
Yeah, I think that will be the better way.
So 3, 4, 5. I will deposit to the same room, which means the contract has 0.001 ETH now.
Yes, yes, I
Must start
think
the game. Okay, the game is started. Let's check the room information. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, total deposit is there. Game is
It
active.
started.
Okay, so now who sets the game winner?
I think there is a function called declared winner in the first one.
Okay, this is also anyone can declare.
Oh,
So this can deployer can only the deployer can we can do something like that,
one,
right?
2, 3. Yeah,
I'm declaring the winner. Perfect. Okay, winner is declared, and then withdraw money, room ID. Perfect. Everything is working.
yeah, contract is good.
So let's do one thing. Let's ask them to make sure only the contract deployer can actually with declare winner.
Yeah.
Let's do that part and then like we can just use it, no problem.
Wait, why are we doing this?
If we don't do this, anyone can simply say, I want the game directly from the smart contract deployed on base and put the funds in the contract,
So
which should not be allowed, right?
let's
But
say many people are playing, so you can declare the winner directly, Siddesh, as the contract accept anyone. So there is no dependency as who can declare the winner. So we are adding the dependency only contract can declare the winner itself, basically.
okay, but then that doesn't mean, right, Siddesh can declare the winner. It just means the contract or the code can declare the
No,
winner.
no, no, no,
Yeah.
no, 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 no. Like the one Siddesh who is deploying this contract is the one who can decide and
Yes.
select the winner. But the way how we select is also like is decided by the front end code. But my wallet controls the decision to actually pick the winner. I can be manipulative and then try to manipulate if I'm a bad actor, which I'm not. So
But you can be. What if you try to make your friends win or something?
I can, we can.
Can we make the smart contract a little bit more just so that only the actual winner wins?
No, that puts a lot of complexities. We have to add a lot of players into it. I mean, yeah, that will add a lot of complexity to the game. For which we will need few more vibe coders with us to help us do that.
You sure vibe coders are actual coders?
No, but like we don't need actual coders. We just need vibe coders. Okay. So I'm going to declare winner. So the declare winner can be declared only by the deployer. If I try to just call this, it would say an error. So I'll just go to my admin wallet. Declared winner declared. Let's try to withdraw money. Only the winner can withdraw. I'm using my winner wallet, and then I'm trying to withdraw successfully. Fine, everything is working fine, Nishak. Now everything is working fine. We can just go deploy this on mainnet. So So let me connect my wallet. I'm gonna use MetaMask because that's the best wallet out there in town. Feel free to argue if you don't feel so. But yeah, we have around $4.7. We are gonna
Yes.
deploy this. Done. So done. We have deployed it. So now we also need to ask Grok to update the UI code, right? Based on this new contract.
I think we just need to update the declare winner on the front end side. I think it should be auto able to assign the users with the wallet address. But I think it can be intercept in the middle, right?
Where?
Uh, we are just writing the function and front end is calling the contract itself.
Yeah, yeah.
So, so if someone try to intercept in the middle and can change the address,
I don't understand. For declaring the winner, you mean?
let's say your smart contract declare the winners and front end passing the address of the users that is the currently the winner.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's say you make a call, I intercept the call in between with the network tab, and the request didn't actually go to the server.
No, no, no. That's too much of a rocket science you're talking about. Then, no. I mean, I think we are thinking too much for this game at this point. I
Yeah,
believe.
it will be fine. But if you want to upgrade the game, I think this will be issue can be solved on the next level. If you want to take it to the next level, if you're actually
Yeah, yeah,
building.
yeah. Base cafe. Okay. So I have given the new contract and then asking him to update it.
The front end reflect with I integrate private
Yeah,
key.
once we get the front end, now everything should be working. We'll test it out. Um, yeah. Yashica, do you want to give an update? Yashica. Yashica is not
Yes,
here.
I'm here. I'm here.
You want to
So
give an update?
the update is we're at 1643 people and watching us live, and I we have made a Scribble.io like decentralized version in a frame. So we've not put it in a frame yet. So we have the basic logic running. People connect with smart contract wallets. They have to deposit 0.005 ETH. Everyone deposits it. The game runs for 2 times a day, and the 3 rounds. Whoever wins the round, they get to take the money. So that's it. And we're done with the MVP part. We're actually done with the functioning of the game. I feel like we're just in the
Yeah.
integrations, final integrations,
Yes.
Yes.
and
Yes.
we have to just make it pretty. That's the last bit.
Yeah, we just need to make it pretty and then like a game that people want to try, and then it's all about the hyping up the game so we get like initial people to actually deposit some money, and then it looks attractive for people to join.
Join the public game.
Yeah, I think we have the contract. Let's go put this thing here and added the owner functionality, use G contract to fetch owner, and then we have deploy a private key. I need to add that private key in there.
Yeah, maybe stop your screen sharing, add your private key, and
Yes,
again share it.
yes,
Yes.
yes. So let me actually first like get the contract address that we deployed here.
Yes.
So this is the contract request on base minute. So I'm gonna put this contract request hard coded. It's fine. It's here. Yeah. Where is it? Yeah. We put it here and base. Uh, so I think like Grok made one mistake. It's using VM again.
Yes.
Just use
Mm,
Wagner latest books because we have already integrated. I just recommended private key. So we are actually going past the live stream time.
uh,
What do you? Yeah, it's already 2 hours. I
I
think
think
we can just.
I think for MVP this will be it after you integrate it and just merge the code. And
Yeah,
yeah, I can pretty much pretty basically make it pretty desync async basically. People let it people test it out before the actual games happens and can
yeah,
make the version.
yeah. I mean, we don't have to worry about like testing couple of because we're actually taking only one ETH itself. We are not actually asking them to give elements of the USDC or anything. So what we can try to do is like we complete this on next live stream. We just beautify this and then launch it on the live stream, and then
Yeah.
people can use it there. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. I think. Let's see what happens. But I still feel like Grok is gonna make a mistake here again. See what is happening? Only allow owner to call declare winner using Wagner's use contract. So here Grok is making a mistake again. It's just using this particular part, which just takes in the wallet that is connected to the website. We just need to make sure that we are using the private key
Yes.
of the
To make it
lawyer.
possible. Yes.
That's yeah, we can just manually add it, I guess. We don't have to ask Grok again. It's gonna just make mistakes again, I think. So we can just manually add it once the code is completed here. Nishag, are you going to Taiwan for Eat Global?
I was about to, but no, I canceled plan.
Okay. What about you, Yashica?
What will I do there first up? Because I cannot code. I can vibe, but
Vibe
then
code. You can still vibe code.
yeah, but I have too high fever to be allowed on a plane.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But I just thought about why not go there, live stream 36 hours and vibe code an app and then submit it for live stream on live stream. So I think I'll probably be doing that.
Yeah, do it.
Look at
I'll be cheering for you from here. Yay.
seems like a
1,700 people
okay, okay.
here.
I'm already registered. Let me know if you need any help or anything, or if you need any teammate. I registered myself. I've done all the things, taking, baking, but yeah, cancel the
Uh,
plans.
But then like you have to check in, you have to come to Taiwan. You have to come to Taiwan for that, bro. I am actually going to Taiwan this week, Thursday. So yeah. See.
Best of luck, man.
Yeah, I think this time I just wanted to try something new, so that's why we're gonna try to vibe code. And not really vibe code, we'll be using AI anyway, but then like I want to do a live stream, so it's like, it'll be fun. So I think now everything should work. Let's restart the server and see what's happening here. Right. So wallet is connected, contract owner, whatever. And then room ID 123, room info is there, deposit. It is taking some ETH, but I don't think I have ETH on this particular account. Let me check it out. Yeah, I don't have that much amount of ETH. I'm not that rich on this account. So let me connect this. Okay. So room ID 123 and deposit, and what, nothing is happening. Okay.
Transaction.
There we go. There we go. It's taking
Yes,
0.05 for ETH. Okay.
around
Should I?
one. Yeah.
Should I
Yes.
send? We don't have any burner or like we don't have any way to get it back.
Okay. The private key to account has been added for
No, it's
the.
not added right now.
Uh,
So let's get the private key account added here.
yeah.
Let's go add that. Uh, where
Okay.
was this?
VM accounts you can directly import it. Maybe install VM.
Yeah, it's already there. It's already there.
Okay. So
We
VM accounts. I think there is a function called private key to account.
yes, yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right. Where was this code? Handle. Yeah, here.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Again, to account
So, where will the money go once people deposit it
contract.
in the smart contract? But you were like, there's no way to get it back. What do you mean? There was no private key for the smart contract.
No, no. Like sometimes when you're developing, we did not. If we mess up some logic, right? Then how do you get back the money that you deposited?
Okay. So,
Did you get the point?
what is the second way we're trying to do this? What is
So
the alternative?
we can have a function that allows to take all the remaining Ethereum